Okay, I'm continuing the work on my Ranger 330V. I noticed an issue with my Mercury controller. The top end came loose from the actual control lever, and there was a spring was missing and no bolt, so it was slipping. So what I did is I found a bolt that would go through here, kind of a self-tapping screw that had a good fit and would hold the plastic handle on. And the spring was missing, and so what I found at Tractor Supply was this set of springs. Comes with various spring rates in there, and I found a spring that was just the right size to put into this handle and to give it the spring for the lever action that I need. So I'll put that back together. Get my screwdriver. Give it the test. Holds it locked in position in neutral, and it works good and solid.